Welcome to our YouTube video. Today we are diving into a common problem that developers may encounter when upgrading their Angular application from Keycloak version 25 to 26. The issue arises when trying to switch to Keycloak-js version 26, causing an error during the build process. The question at hand is why Keycloak-js cannot be found by Keycloak-Angular, despite having worked seamlessly before. We will unravel this mystery and provide a solution to get your application up and running smoothly again. Now, let's delve into the solution that will help resolve the error encountered when upgrading to Keycloak-js version 26. By setting the module resolution to bundler in its config.json file, you can ensure that Keycloak-js is recognized and integrated correctly within the Angular application. This configuration tweak plays a crucial role in enabling Keycloak-js to work seamlessly with the Angular ecosystem, resolving the module resolution issue that was causing the build error. Building on the previous solution, importing the necessary interfaces types at the root level can further enhance the compatibility and functionality of Keycloak-js within the Angular application. By importing input switch module, input switch change event from priming input switch at the root level, you can optimize the integration of Keycloak-js with other dependencies, ensuring a smooth and error-free operation. This nuanced adjustment can contribute to a more cohesive and efficient development environment, enhancing the overall performance of your Angular application. In conclusion, we have addressed the common problem faced when upgrading to Keycloak-js version 26 in an Angular application and provided a step-by-step solution to overcome it. By adjusting the module resolution, setting in the config.json file, and importing the necessary interfaces types at the root level, you can successfully integrate Keycloak-js and enhance the functionality of your application. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the troubleshooting process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!